Welcome to Emmelac online tutorial. Now before us is this beautiful logarithmic equation and we are told to solve it. Now this is log of base 3 of x raised to the power of 2 plus log x base 9 plus log 3x raised to the power of 3 base 27 equals 0. So we are told to find the value of x. Okay, so how do we get started? Let's take note that according to the law of logarithm, when you have log a raised to the power of n, let's say base c, this is same thing as saying n log a base c. Okay, all right. And if you have, let's say you have, let me write this here first. If you have log ab, it is the same thing as saying log a plus log b. Okay, no, let me just write this somewhere right here so that it will be as a reminder. That will be log ab equals log a plus log b. Okay, so and again you can see here we have a base of 3, base of 9 and base of 27. We can actually reduce this or this 9 and 23 to a base of what? 3. Also let us take note that if you have log a to the base of, let's say, b raised to the power of n, this can be written as 1 all over n log a base b. Okay, these are the rules that we'll be making use of while solving this equation. Alright, so from here we have, this is something as saying log x, this will be based, here we have to, because these two come over here, then base 3, then plus log x, then 3 here becomes, 9 here becomes 3 raised to the power of 2, then plus, now we'll be splitting this because this is just two terms. Okay, following this rule, we have log 3 base 27, then plus log x raised to the power of 2 base 27, all equals to what? 0. So here we have 2 log x base 3, then equals, now applying this rule here, we have 1 over 2 log x base 3, then plus, now this you can actually reduce this 27 to 3 raised to the power of 3. So let me do this here. 3 raised to the power of 3, and this one also 3 raised to the power of what? 3. And applying this same rule here we have 1 all over 3 log 3 base 3, then plus 2, okay, 2 over 3, oh, this is 3, sorry, so this will now be 3 all over 3 log x base 3 equals what? 0. Okay, now take note here, log 3 base 3 will give us 1, and 3 divided by 3 here will give us what? 1. So the whole of the equation here will give us 2 log x base 3, then plus 1 all over 2 log x base 3, then plus, since log 3 base 3 will give us 1, here we now have 1 over 3, then plus, in this case here, 3 divided by 3, that will give us 1, so we are left with log x base 3 equals what? 0. Okay, so what do we do here now? Let us collect like terms, and by collecting like term we have 2 log x base 3, then plus 1 all over 2 log x base 3, then here you have plus log x base 3, then plus 1 all over 3 equals what? 0. Okay, so at this point, now from this here you can see we have a common term, that is log x base 3, log x base 3, log x base 3. So let us factor it out. Now by factoring it out, we get to have here 2, okay, then plus 1 all over 2. Now here you have 1 plus 1. Then you have what? Log x base what? 3. Okay? Alright, so then plus 1 over 3 equals what? 0. So now see, when you factor out log x base 3, when you divide through here, you are left with 1. When you divide through here, you are left with 1 over 2. And when you divide through here, you are left with what? 1. Okay, so let us subtract 1 over 3, or 1/3, from both sides. And adding this one here, 2 plus half plus 1, this should give us a 3. That will be 3 1 over 2, which will give us what? 7 all over 2 log x base 3. Now taking this to the right hand side, we have negative 1 over what? 3, or subtracting 1 over 3 from both sides of the equation. So in this case, now let us multiply both sides by the reciprocal of what? 7 over 2, and that will be 2 over 7, and here we have 2 over 7. This cancels this cancels this. You are left with log x base 3, then equals, multiplying through, we have minus 2 all over what? 21, right? Yeah, correct. So in the next thing, let's find the value of x here. All we all need to do is to raise the right hand side, okay, as an exponent of 3. Alright, so, or basically this is just a rule according to the law of logarithm, that if you have, let me say, log a base b equals c, this can be written as what? This here we raise c, we have a equals what? B raised to the power of c. If we apply that rule here, we have that x will now be equals to 3 raised to the power of negative 2 over what? 21. Final answer. Alright, so if you love what I've just done, ensure that you share this video with other learners, and don't fail to like and share this video. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye bye.